Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the resource where you want the bind. You need client access and a text editor. Once open, create or edit client. Lua, you will declare a function to handle the action and a mapping table for keys. Make sure to require or include any dependencies so the action runs. Once done, save and ensure the resource is referenced in server. CFG. This gets you into the first actionable step immediately, skipping obvious setup and moving straight to file edits. You now write the actual binding lines. Use register command for a named command and register key mapping to expose it to the keybind menu. This connects an input to your callback. In the callback, define exactly what happens, trigger server event, play animation, or open UI. Make sure to check input type and avoid conflicts by testing other resources. Once coded, save and restart the resource so Fivem reloads the script and registers your new mapping into the control. You finish by testing the bind in-game. Restart the resource, join the server, and press the key to confirm the action runs. If it works, document the mapping for players and optionally add register key mapping description. If it fails, check the client console for Lua errors, ensure the resource is started in server. CFG and verify there are no duplicate binds. Also confirm correct control names and permission checks. Once fixed, repeat the restart test loop until reliable behavior appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.